I'm just here downloading data from our Eddy Tower. I have the computer down in my jacket. It's about -15 and very windy and snowy. And it takes 10-15 minutes to download the data, so it has to stay in the jacket to keep the snow off and the cold out, so otherwise it would just die from the cold, maybe 5-10 minutes. We got the cable going in the locker box here. There's Carl enjoying a little rest, and our wind turbines, the batteries are fully charged, so the turbines are just on the brake, so they're not spinning right now. Maybe you can see how much snow is flying across the ground there. 7 minutes remaining, it says.